Hi, ready to get a little smarter? Do you know what this means?
The first definition of crystal. A homogeneous solid piece having a natural, geometrically regular form and symmetrically placed plane faces. For example, a quartz crystal. The second definition of crystal. High transparency glass with high refractive index. For example, a crystal chandelier. American pronunciation. Crystal. Crystal. Repeat the word after me. As you repeat the word, keep the definition in mind to train your brain to master it. Crystal. Say. Crystal. Crystal means piece of natural substance with symmetrically arranged plane faces. Crystal. Crystal. Crystal origin. Late Old English crystalla, mineral denoting ice or a similar mineral, is derived from Latin crystallum and Greek krustios, ice, crystal. This was later strengthened by Old French crystal. The early 17th century saw the emergence of chemistry. Practice. Listen to what I say, then pause the video and repeat after me. Train your brain to master this word. Let's begin. The first practice. Thus, the crystals have cleavage planes for the necessary migration aptitude. Now, repeat after me. Thus, the crystals have cleavage planes for the necessary migration aptitude. The second practice. The cleavage planes between prismatic stibnite crystals have been infilled by sphalerite. Now, repeat after me. The cleavage planes between prismatic stibnite crystals have been infilled by sphalerite. Visual representation of crystal. Crystal means a homogeneous solid piece having a natural, geometrically regular form and symmetrically placed plane faces.
Good job! Now you're way smarter. Subscribe right now and learn another new word every day.